If you're building AI SEO services, 3 problems are going to blindside you. Here's all 3 and exactly how to beat each one. AI visibility gets sold as a simple checklist you run on the website. That's the first thing that trips people up. Problem 1. Almost everything you've been taught to do lives on the client's own website. The schema, the FAQs, that LLMs.txt file. Put it all together, and it moves maybe 15% of the result. Because around 85% of what makes an AI pick a business happens off the website. Reviews, local roundups, directories. The same facts showing up the same way everywhere. Look at what the AI actually quotes when it answers. Reviews, directory pages, roundups. Almost none of it is the business's own site. And here's the part that catches everyone. Only about 1 in 8 of the pages in AI sites even ranks in Google's top 10. Whoever won the old search game isn't automatically winning this one. So if you pour all your effort into the on-site checklist, you're polishing 15% and ignoring the part that actually moves the needle. So flip the order. Do the off-site work first, and here's exactly what that work is. Start with consistency, because it's the foundation. Write the business name, address, and phone one way, and make it match everywhere it appears online. One version, no variations. Then, earn reviews on the exact platforms the AI quotes. Google, Yelp, Birdeye. The simplest system that works. Ask every happy customer right after the job with a direct link while they still care. Then, get the business into the roundups. Find the best in-town article that already ranks, find who wrote it, and email that editor a real reason to add your client. An award, a specialty, something true they'd want in there. One mention like that can outweigh months of on-site tweaks. And get listed in the directories the AI reads with that same clean matching information. You're not editing a website. You're changing what the whole web says about a business. Problem 2, and this one has nothing to do with skill. Say you know exactly what to fix. Now you actually have to get in. The client won't hand over the website login. Nobody remembers who controls the Google business profile. And when you go to claim it, Google mails a postcard to verify. That's 1 to 2 weeks, gone. And if the site's on Wix or Squarespace, you can't even reach the files to add that LLMs.txt everyone told you to add. This is where most people give up. Not because the work is hard, but because they can't get the keys. And nobody warned them half the job is access. So handle access before any work starts and know exactly what to ask for. You want editor or admin access to the website. And for the Google business profile, you request ownership access through Google and go through their verification. Then, for whoever touches the site, hand them a short brief with 3 plain changes. 1. Add the JSON-LD schema into the head of the key pages. 2. Publish an LLMs.txt file at the root of the site. 3. Verify the site in Bing Webmaster Tools and submit the sitemap. That's the whole on-site job, spelled out so anyone can do it. And if the door just won't open, you've still got a business. Remember, 85% of the work lives off the site. So sell that as its own package. Reviews, directories, roundups, and clean, consistent information delivered without ever logging into their website. You scope it, you price it, and you deliver it around the wall instead of walking away at it. Problem 3 is the one that stings because it shows up after you think you've won. You're in, you did the off-site work, and the AI still gets it wrong. Wrong hours, an old address, or it flat out recommends a competitor that's honestly worse. It's not ignoring the business anymore. It's getting it wrong out loud. Here's why. The AI isn't inventing anything. It's reading a mess. The name, the address, the phone, the hours, all slightly different across a dozen places online. Give a machine 5 versions of the truth, and it picks one, often the wrong one, and trusts all of them a little less. So don't argue with the AI. Fix it at the source. And the fix is a process, not a patch. First, build one canonical record, the exact name, The exact address, the phone, the hours, and a short description, written once. That's now the single source of truth for the business. Then push that identical record to the places the AI actually reads. The Google Business Profile, Bing Places, Apple Maps and Yelp, and the top local directories for that category. Word for word, the same in every one. As the conflicting versions get overwritten, the machine stops seeing 5 different stories and starts seeing one. The confusion clears, and the confidence comes back. Write it once, paste it identically, and the wrong version starves. You can't correct the AI. You can only correct what it reads. So those are the 3. 1. You're pulling the wrong lever. The real work is off the site. 2. You can't get the keys, so plan access first or route around it. 3. The machine is reading bad data, so fix the facts at the source. Get a business past all 3, and you've got a skill almost nobody has yet. If you want the kind of opportunity most people haven't spotted yet, that's what we dig up every week over at ideasrepay.com. I'll see you in the next one.